Hello guys, today I will give you my thoughts on ReZero and what I understood from the anime. It's kind of review video. Let's get started. First of all, what the hell is wrong with this anime? At first I was thinking it's kind of boring. Later when it got interesting like Steins Gate, then everything got messed up again. I mean no explanation, nothing. Anime just starts. What is the world? Where is the character standing? Really nothing. And my head is just one thing I clearly understood in anime, it's death, 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 and more deaths. After all that death, I seems to understand this anime. I think whenever the character dies, he comes back in time and restarts everything again. Okay, that's a good ability. Everyone needs immortality one way or another. But anime drops a bomb on the character. If you don't die, someone else die in that part and then he dies so that he can start again and not let that person die. All the best if you can understand me. After he sets everything right and saves himself and other, anime comes with a new bomb of fancy name and more complex theories in the second season. Let's get started with the story. This kid named Subaru jumps into the other world which I really don't know what it is. He has a sweet little ability where he dies and gets revived and can restart everything from a particular point of time. Basically it's like a game where character dies and restart from a state point. Well, the entire anime is over that one point where he dies and tries to save everyone by restarting the time. Please do not mistake it with the Steins Gate story. That anime had a very simple concept and pretty good understanding story. But this one, my god, it just keeps on adding new names and concepts one after another. Well, back to the story. He gets summoned to the new world and meet half-elf girl named Emilia. Even to get this girl's name, he has to gone through lot of trouble. And start of the story, we can see some awesome characters like Puck, who is a spirit, Reinhardt, who is a powerful royal knight, and a little bit of good battle. That's all. Now anime has an interesting turn of events from getting the name of the girl to the battle against the big whale who flies in the sky. But every time something shocking happens, Subaru dies and comes up with a new strategy to fight the reason of his death or someone else's death. Even a person has a limit to do the same thing again and not getting a successful outcome. Subaru has lot of mind breakdown points in this anime. The only person who helps him was Rem. Rem loved Subaru because he saved her from death and her past trauma. But Subaru loves Emilia and Emilia loves Subaru. I am not sure about that. At the end of the first season, after the battle with White Whale, someone from Witch Cult attacks and Rem's existence is completely gone from everyone's mind. Even her sister Ram doesn't remember her. Second season starts with the point of saving Rem, but it completely changes in the middle. From saving Rem to saving everyone in the mansion and saving everyone in the sanctuary and saving himself. Well, for the sanctuary, when Witch Cult attacked the village, half of the people went with the Subaru and other half went with the Ram in the sanctuary. There you will able to find what kind of man Roswell is and Ram's loyalty towards Roswell and Garfield, a new character again. What he does and one of the biggest thing that is witches. Who are they and Beatrice and her existence. Character you have to look out for more understanding is Emilia, Rem, Roswell and Beatrice. This is complete 2 seasons of ReZero in short. Please note I have not covered everything. It's very complex to explain but watch it. Main thing in the anime is the shocking turn of event that occurs one after another. Like it's really awesome. If you are still here, please consider subscribing to the channel, give a like and share the video. This will keep me motivated. Comment below which anime you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See ya.